Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the visual thesaurus, and we are going to find it through the Symbaloo web mix that I sent you the other day in an email. So what we want to do is click on the tile that says visual thesaurus, and then we're going to log in. Because Julie Watson set up a 30-day trial, we can create our own account. Okay, so then we want to click on Start Your Subscription Now. And the great thing about this visual thesaurus is that it's going to give kids connections to their words. Let's take a look at, if I click on how it works, this will give you an overview. So you can take a look at that. It'll tell you some of the functions. I'm going to click on home. And when I click on home and I type in a word, let's say computer, it immediately makes a map, and I can have the computer speak it so that the students can actually hear the words. I can click on one of these to find out more information about information processing systems.
Information processing system.
I can click on the back button up on top to go back to my original word. And the other thing I want you to notice is over here on the side, it's going to tell you the definitions. Let's type in, I'm going to type in beautiful. Now you could see that when I type in beautiful, these are all of the synonyms, but also on the side here now it's in the adjective column. It's going to give us the definitions. It's telling us what parts of speech it is. Let's take a look at handsome. So this can gift students with other words they can use if you're having a hard time with kids who are just using the words good, fine, nice, happy, and you want them to expand their vocabulary. Let's take a look at happy, joyous, cheerful. So that's the basics. Now you can also, there's so much more to this. You can change the language. I just clicked on settings up on top. I can change the language of this. So if you are a teacher of world languages, you can choose what language. You can decide what type of relationships. If you don't want the antonym to show, you know, it's totally up to you. You can change your view settings. You can actually print these as well if you would like to. Here are advanced settings. I'm going to click back on settings. This is where I got that from. You can also go back to, here we go. If I click on it and pull it down, it's going to give word suggestions, and then if I want to put in a word list, I actually can load settings. Yes, I can't. There we go. Now it's working. I'm just pulling these words up and they're loading them. So I'm just dragging the words onto my word list and I can save those. Save as joyful. There we go. So you can create word lists as well. This is just a start. There's so many other things you can do. You can do spelling bees on here. I'm sure that in your PLC you can come up with different ways to use this thesaurus. But here we go. Vocab grabber. I'm back on the main page. Here it talks about a spelling bee. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I want you to take a look at these and start talking in your grade level PLC. What could you do with this, and would this tool help you, and is it something that the district should be purchasing, because right now we only have it as a 30-day trial. So have fun with this. Thanks, and have a great day.